Welcome to 6ABC's Local Spotlight. The following advertisement is paid for by Mainline Health. Here's Jessica Boyington.
Mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act, and it also helps determine how we handle stress, relate to others, and make healthy choices. Mental health is important at every stage of life, from childhood and adolescence through adulthood. So today we're here with Meghan Szafran, Behavior Health Manager for Mirmont Outpatient Center, part of Mainline Health. She's going to talk to us about why it's so important for women to be attentive to their mental health so that they can care for their loved ones too. Meghan, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Sure, thank you so much.
All right, so how does mental health affect men and women differently? That's the million-dollar question.
Yeah, we know that mental health can affect women differently from men. There's some biological influences, but there's also a lot of societal and cultural influences. Even though we've made a lot of gender strides, as far as equality, women are oftentimes the primary caregivers for children, for household, take care of holidays, all things like that. So there's a lot of stress and pressure that comes with that. And sometimes women are more concerned with caring for others than really making sure that their needs are met. So I think that kind of puts women at, needing a little more support sometimes with their mental health.
All right, so a lot of outside influences really can affect someone's mental health. So I'm sure the mental wellness of the children who women care for can impact their emotional well-being as well. How should we be addressing adolescent mental health?
We know that adolescence is a really big time of a lot of changes, a lot of transitions are happening for them. So we really want to make sure that women are being attentive not only to their needs, but also the needs of the adolescents. Adolescents are experience a lot of depression, anxiety, things like that. There's a lot of school pressure and social pressures. And we want them to really know that there is support out there for them, that they can address.
So where can women get more information about managing their mental health? So we know there is help out there, or if they also need to seek help for a loved one.
Mainline Health has a whole continuum of services for behavioral health. I work in the Mirmont office of Mirmont Outpatient Center. We also have sites in Exton and Media with mental health and substance use services for adolescents and adults. So a whole family can really care under one roof for any of their mental health needs. There's also our Women's Emotional Wellness Center, which really focuses specifically on women and women's health care.
Meghan, thank you so much for sharing all of this information with us today. It is important all year round.
Thank you so much.
So to learn more, you can visit mainlinehealth.org/wellaheadphilly. Thanks so much for watching.
Thanks for watching 6ABC's Local Spotlight. The preceding advertisement was paid for by Mainline Health.